Area Member of Parliament, Buhaguzi East, Kikuve District. We are here with a lot of joy, with a lot of excitement, because God has answered our prayers. We are here to witness the event where we are flagging off quite a number of health ambulances, which we have been lobbying for quite some good time. And we really want to thank the Ministry of Health that today we are receiving this on behalf of the people of Buhaguzi East, Kikuve District, and the entire Bunyoro region. I'm very much excited and happy for this moment because health services are still lacking, but we are really trying our very best with the government of Uganda and His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda, who is extremely pertinent about health, because health is life and life is wealth. So all in all, we are urging that people who are in charge take good care of these ambulances so that the rest of the Ugandans can benefit. Murunyoro. Njogera Oluganda wali. Asera Stephen Itaza omukurasi habwa Nyamasaza ya Buhaguzi East, Kikuve District. Nyina okusemererwa kwingi. Nyina amasanyu maingi muno habwa ekiro kya kiro kino Ruhanga obuyahulire sara zaitu kandi sare zagarukwamu. Tuyikaire ntusaba ambulances kandi twe nkabakurasi tuyina ambulances ezimu tukerwana tuwabanza twagura ambulances hati nyonyi nemu habwa Buhaguzi East baita ambulance eno eyikaire nekora mu Bunyoro yona nabo ekyo nkusima Ruhanga obunyayizire nyahikyayo kusaba kwange ha Ministry of Health okusaba kwange kiro kino kugarukirwe nabo ekyo tuli hakuflagging off ambulances nezituhereibwe kandi ntusima Ministry of Health baitu twakagisibire ntwongera kusima His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda omukuru Yoweri Kaguta Museveni buhaburwa kandi ali chairman waitu wa NRM habwa enkore nungi kandi habukuteeka ebyobwomezi maiso at the forefront habukwantu kimanya obwomezi nugo nubo businge kandi obusinge nubo bugayiga nabwekyo obwoba mwomezi oba mugayiga mubyona tukwenda kubasima inywena kandi no tukusabira abo bona bagenda kwatibwa ambulance zino bazirinde kurungi nuko